This is a car subwoofer and this is 2:1 cable. You can see what is the problem. Problem is the audio input line, the audio auxiliary cable break inside there. It's break inside there. Now I am going to take out this pin. Let's see how to take out this pin from this socket. This is a input socket, audio input socket. Now I am going to take out this pin from this socket. I need something to put this amplifier in the right place. Okay, this is a needle. I am using this needle to take out this pin. And this is one gas light. Look, I make it hot. I am making the needle hot. I am making it hot and pull inside. Again I am making hot and pulling inside the pin and wait for a while. After 1 minute later I am taking out slowly I am taking out from the socket. Look, I am success, right? You also can be success if you want, if you do like this way. It's very easy way to take out this type of pin. Now I can use this pin easily. Now I can use this 2:1 cable to this amplifier. It's very easy way to solve this type of problem. Thank you for watching the video. It's a Brother Electronics, Maipur, Joshua, Bangladesh.